Hi again. I'm going to be showing you basically like what my introduction to working with glitch art was, and it is the oldest camera that I have, which is this. It is a Sony Sony CCD-TR21. It was released around the mid-1990s, and if you know, early to mid-90s, I don't really know. But the problem with this camera is that it has some issues with capacitors and solenoid sensors. Now, it still works. It can record onto tape, but it doesn't record well. But it has a lot of issues with like stuff that kind of introduced me to glitch art and things like that. I managed to get some recordings on it because it randomly fixed this issue with zoom, so I can now zoom in and out. But the playback on this is kind of weird. So I recorded some on this 8mm tape, and I'll take out the tape. Put the tape in, and you will see some glitch art of what is going on with this camera, starting around probably now. Now, this effect that you see can only be done on tape. The camera, while plugged in to a different device, trying to do tapeless, will only grant you the things with a broken solenoid sensor, rather than if you were using a tape, which gets you the ability to play and pause your recordings and get those weird effects. As you can tell, some of the effects were a lot more mild in comparison with others, which is kind of a cool thing about tape. Because it's analog, it's not digital, you won't get the same effect every time. You might fast forward, pause, and rewind and get a completely different effect. Which is why glitch art is cool. Get yourself one of these old camcorders that you can buy for like 40-ish, 30-ish bucks. They're usually sold as is, not working on eBay. Try them out. If they don't work, You can probably repair some things about them to get them to work again. Just like repair the capacitors, and you have an old camcorder thing. I recorded, the reason why I'm seeing a 3130 error was because I was recording from this screen. Which, yeah.